With this particular site over the tunnel tops, we were very struck by how sensitive we would need to be. That the surrounding environment is so special, unique, breathtaking, extraordinary. We established a philosophy early on that all we need to do really is to create a platform for all of these great views and vistas and linkages to be made. So it was a philosophy of restraint and simplicity and admiration and respect for everything that we have here. Because, you know, you have all the people down in Crissy Field and they're doing their thing, and then you have all the people on the bayfront rollerblading and cycling and jogging and walking and strolling. They're all disconnected from this upper environment. And similarly, on the upper environment here, with all of these various amenities and experiences up here, many of these similarly feel disconnected. I think a lot of people think of the Presidio grounds as the historical landscape, the place where there's interesting stories about our history and culture. All of these amazing and important places are beautiful in and of themselves, but they feel disconnected. And so the new project over the tunnel tops, what we're building is really a new hub that connects all of these various landscapes here and allows you to move seamlessly from one to the next. And then secondly, in terms of vista and panorama, I really think it's an amazing experience to turn 360 degrees and see the city skyline, the Palace of Arts, the Alcatraz, the bay, the bridge, and look back into the main post and into the hilltops at the back of us here. So in a sense, that's San Francisco's geography, all concentrated in one place. So if there's a big idea, it's about trying to create this very simple and elegant center point that connects all of the resources that we have and recenters the psyche of people in the context of the bay and the city.